Hey, I got a phone call from a mate the other day basically saying, hey Rob, I've just gone and bought myself a new project. How would you like to come and have a look at it? Oh yeah, no worries. What are you doing, mate? Have a look at this. This is a nice project. This is a really nice project. If you're Australian, you'll probably know exactly what this boat is. But here we go. Bruce Harris Shark Cut, 18 footer. Beautiful looking boat. This is going to be a good project. We'll jump up on the inside and have a look at what the guys have done so far, and then talk about what the plan is moving forward. So basically, these are a nice beamy hull, very nice hull. They have got a reputation for being an extremely good rough weather boat. This particular boat here, we believe it's been used by the Queensland Police or emergency response crews. There's like a stamp on the inside of it that's got a Q number on it, and we believe that that's from Queensland Police. So emergency rescue vessel or something like that maybe. Aluminium extensions here, they've been done quite nicely. On each of the sponsons. A few holes to patch up along the way. But let's go on the inside, have a squiz. So the boys have already started doing quite a bit of the grinding work, getting rid of all the flow coat and everything so that we can get a good bond between the new laminate and the old glass. So have a look over here. A lot of you can see here, boys have still got to come back, oops, and grind all of this flow coat off. They've started doing a lot of this. That's nice and clean now. Hey Bully, what'd you use? 40 grit? 40 grit flapper discs? Flap discs?
Flapper discs.
Flapper?
Flapper, yeah. So I haven't used any of the sanding discs yet.
So guys, this is Bully. Say g'day Bully.
G'day, how are you?
Bully is the proud new owner of this beautiful looking boat. There's a fair bit of work to be done here, but the guys are so keen to get into it. It's going to be, Bully, you're going to be using Thermalite through this, yeah?
Thermalite, 90mm for your floor, your bulkheads and your stringers, and 6.5 for building the new dash and the fix-up areas and stuff like that.
Yeah, okay.
Got everything from Trade Marine in Sydney, I think it is.
Yeah, okay.
They were awesome. I rang them up and gave me all the advice that I needed for all the products.
Yep.
Your advice to where I put the products is probably is the key.
So the resin itself, you're going to be using?
It's unwaxed.
Yep.
I forget the name of it now. What's it called?
Vinyl ester.
That's it, vinyl ester.
Yep. So very important point, guys. Guys are going to be using unwaxed laminating vinyl ester resin for this, so that they can continue to laminate over the top. Final coat, when they need to finish off, they're going to add some wax in styrene to bring the wax to the surface and get rid of that sticky texture and everything. So very important. There's going to be some talc and bog used. There's going to be some Cabasil or fumed silica as well for a lot of the gluing process, if you like, to get the bulkheads and the floors back into position.
We've got new fuel tanks going in.
New fuel tanks.
Aluminium and stainless water tanks, all going in the floor, all hidden under the floor.
Yeah,
I'll show you those before you go.
Yeah, absolutely. Love to have a look at that. So the old bulkheads, guys, you can see where they've come out. The big, let me turn around here, over the top of this. An old chine there. Oh, look at the knees.
Yep.
There you go. Knees are in position. They are actually still solid.
Yeah, they're strong as.
That's solid. That's all pretty good. That looks nice. They've obviously taken the lateral bulkheads out there. Going to be replacing them at a later date.
We've got a really good platform here.
Yep.
Very excited.
Very, very good platform. Going to have to grind all of this flow coat back so that they can get the glass to lock into that really well. But future works to be had. But anyway, this is the start of a new project, guys, and the whole idea is just to give you an overview of what's going to be happening. You're going to be doing all the work yourself?
Yep,
Yeah.
100% with you.
with me. So look forward to it, guys. It's going to be a great
It's good to have
project.
friends. It's good to have friends.
This is going to be a nice project, guys. I hope you're going to get into this one too. This is going to be an awesome boat when it's finished, and when the two boats are on the water, when I got my big girl on the water, and we're going to hopefully do some great shootouts with those and see how it all goes.
Head out to Faraday.
Faraday.
A couple of nights.
Oh, absolutely. That's near the continental shelf, guys.
It
By
is,
the way, that's where you get our big doggies and
Yeah, big, huge Spaniard, sailfish,
wahoo,
tuna.
all that sort of stuff. So we're absolutely looking forward to that. Keen as to get out there. How much fuel are you going to have on board?
We're going to have 520 litres, which I thought was going to be way too much. We only got running twin 115 Mercury XS Pros
Yep.
with the 150 gearboxes on. So.
Yeah. Okay. And you're going to have the joystick control and all that kind of
Yep.
stuff. Make it
Yep.
nice and easy. Do
Yep.
sideways turns.
Yep. Do 360s.
Yeah, I'm not going to have that privilege, guys. But anyway, I've got a little. Yeah.
With a
throttle.
Minn Kota up the front, 72
Oh, you have
pound.
Minn Kota on?
Yeah, yeah.
Sweet.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. 72 pound.
Yep.
Yep. How long's the stick on it?
Well, you can
That's
get
good.
them to make now. So
Oh,
you
can
tell,
you?
yeah,
I
yeah.
didn't
You
know
just
that.
measure from your platform to your water and tell them how long
Custom
you want.
build it.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
It's going to have lithium batteries up in bow as well, up in that portside sponson there. So that's going to be cool. Lithium up the front. We're going to have lead acid for your start batteries.
I think so. Yeah.
Emergency start, all that kind of stuff. Dual batteries.
Yes.
Dual
one
batteries.
one for each motor. Two house
for each.
batteries. Oh, one house battery, a battery for the Minn Kota.
Yeah, okay.
All charging with a solar panel on the roof,
Yep.
which is over there. All the stainless steel work's done. It just needs polishing, basically.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Nice. Hey, Bully.
Oh,
Hey, Bully.
yeah.
Who did this, mate?
Me, with a saver saw.
What up, man?
Well, Rob, what you'll find is,
Somebody got to do a bit of patching work, mate.
you'll fix that for me, won't you?
Oh, that's, yeah. Nice cut straight through the hole.
Yeah, no, she'll be right. It's a self-training deck. That's it.
Self-training deck, that's it, eh? Yeah, scuppers on the side. Yeah.
Yeah. Just to see.
Here's something else that's a little bit different too, guys. Have a look at this number on the side. What do you reckon this is, Bully? This Q256.
Queensland made for the police.
Queensland made for the police.
rescue. Yeah, police rescue boat.
Here's something that I didn't know about the Shark Cats, full of foam. And there's no water in that at all, guys. So that's pretty damn good, eh? For the age of this cat, built in what?
1980.
1980s or
84 maybe.
Yeah.
80 and 84 or something
80,
thereabouts.
84.
So it's a 560 Sportsman.
But if we've got that Q number, they'll probably be able to research that, right?
Possibly, I've tried this basic stuff on the internet, but I haven't seen anything.
Yeah,
But
right.
I've just seen other registrations that they link back to typically a boat that's been in survey for police rescue or Coast Guard or something of the sort.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Steve here, by the way, guys, is the guy that's going to be doing all this grinding.
Howdy.
Yeah. So he's going to get stuck into this.
Overseeing.
So I don't cut through the hole again.
Yeah. Bring it into the wall.
And if you have a
So the
look-
bully doesn't cut through the hole again, he reckons.
Where is it? There's a-
Can't trust the guy like that, yeah?
I kept grinding, and then, oh, that's sunlight.